This is the most brutal 90 minutes in all of sport, and it is about to get worse, and the score is still level. In the group stage, that is fine, everyone shakes hands and goes home with a point. But this is the knockout stage. And the knockout stage does not do handshakes. Somebody has to lose, somebody has to go home and cry. So what actually happens now? Most people have no idea, they just shout penalties and hope they are right. But there is a whole brutal process first, and it is beautiful. By the end of this, you will never watch a knockout game the same way again. First, there is no penalties yet. First comes extra time, 30 extra minutes, 2 halves of 15. The players just ran for 90 minutes. Now they have to run for 30 more. Their legs are gone, their lungs are burning. And here is the cruel part. In extra time, one single mistake ends everything. In normal time, if you concede, you have time to fight back. In extra time, if you concede, you are almost certainly going home. So both teams become terrified, they stop attacking, they protect what they have. It is football played in slow motion, with maximum fear, and moments like these are exactly why you don't want to miss a single match. But here's a problem a lot of fans run into. Not every country has the rights to stream every World Cup game. And the official platforms that do show every match for free are locked to their own country. So the second you travel, your own country's official stream just stops working. Blocked. That's where X-VPN comes in. They just launched dedicated soccer 2026 lines, built for streaming the World Cup. You connect to a line from your home country and you're back on your official broadcaster. BBC iPlayer, ITVX, SBS, legally wherever you are. Lower latency, sharper picture, and your connection stays private. Over 10,000 servers in 80 plus countries. Works on your phone, your laptop, and your TV. It's simple. Open X-VPN, connect to a Soccer 2026 line, open your official platform. Done. And please skip the shady pirate streams. They're a security nightmare. This is about your official broadcaster, the safe way. It's $2.99 a month on the 2-year plan with a 7-day free trial. And it keeps working for every sports event after this one. Links in the description and pinned comment. I've even got 5 free VIP accounts to give away down there too. Like the video and comment blueprint, and your favorite moment from the World Cup to enter the giveaway. I will be announcing the winners in a separate post on this channel. So, back to the game. Extra time ends, 30 more minutes played, and somehow, unbelievably, the score is still level. Now the World Cup reaches its most feared moment, the moment players have actual nightmares about. The moment that makes grown men cry on the biggest stage on earth. Penalties. Here is exactly how it works. Each team picks 5 players, 5 kicks each, one at a time. The ball on the spot, 1 player, 1 goalkeeper, 12 yards apart. Whoever scores more after 5 kicks wins, goes through, survives. Sounds simple, right? It is the most terrifying thing a footballer will ever do. Grown professionals, the best on the planet, shaking before they kick, and to understand why, you have to understand the psychology. Here is what nobody tells you about penalties. The goalkeeper is expected to fail, so he has nothing to lose. If he saves it, he is a hero. If he does not, well, he was supposed to lose anyway. But the taker is expected to score, so he has everything to lose. Score, and you did what you were supposed to. Miss, and you are the villain forever. That is the whole game, not the legs, the mind. A penalty is not a test of skill. Any professional can score from 12 yards in training. It is a test of nerve, with a whole nation holding its breath, and it begins with the walk. The lonely walk from the halfway line to the penalty spot, 70 yards, completely alone. 80,000 people watching in the stadium, and a few 100 million more at home. By the time he places the ball, the kick is already won or lost, in his head. The best takers do not have the best technique, they have the calmest mind. But what if it is still tied after 5 kicks each? Then it becomes sudden death, and the name is not a joke, 1 kick each. If you score and they miss, it is instantly over, no safety net, no second chance, just one swing of the foot between glory and going home. And this can go on, and on, and on, until somebody, finally, after all that, breaks. Even the goalkeepers have to take kicks if it goes long enough. And here is the cruelest part of the whole thing. One player will be the hero, one will be the villain. Same shootout, same pressure, a few inches apart. One kick hits the net, one kick hits the post, that is the entire difference. One goes home a national legend, forever. One goes home, lies awake at night, and never forgets. That is the price of the knockout stage. There is no in-between. This is why the World Cup is the hardest trophy in all of sport. You can play brilliantly for 120 minutes. And lose absolutely everything in one single kick. No other sport puts one human being so alone, under so much weight, with so many people watching, with so much on the line, That is not just football, that is the purest pressure a human can face. And that is exactly why we cannot look away. So, now you know what happens when the clock runs out. 30 minutes of fear, then 5 kicks of pure nerve, then sudden death. The knockout stage does not reward the best team. It rewards the team that does not break. Now you know what you are really watching. Subscribe if you enjoyed this type of content. The game has not changed. You are welcome.